Let's talk money. On this video, we're going to talk about how you can make money with your own show. The power of social media is huge. It has unlocked this amazing phenomenon, which I like to call, quote, I feel like I know you syndrome. This is when you follow someone on the internet that you've never met before, but somehow you feel like you know them. And even more strange is you also feel like they know you. I have this phenomena affect me with a few internet influencers that I follow on the internet. I remember one instance, I was searching for information on how to make more sales for my first business. Of course, because Facebook is always listening, I all of a sudden started getting videos of a strange, pompous, loud, cocky dude named Grant Cardone. I remember the very first video I saw of him, he was saying, "Don't be a little." I'm instantly intrigued at the dude's confidence and obvious successful imagery. I did some investigative work on his social profiles and website and found that he was producing daily live shows, and one of them was called Young Hustlers, a show focused on helping guys like me learn how to get better at sales. I listened to this show every single week, and in every car ride I would listen to the audio version of the show. And in every show, he would always refer to a program he was selling called Cardone University. He referred to it as the greatest sales educational material in the world. I wanted to get enrolled in his courses so badly because I just really trusted the things Grant was teaching on his live show. But at the time, I just simply didn't have the money. As I got more familiar with all of Grant Cardone's content, I happened across an episode of Young Hustlers where Grant was telling everyone he was giving away a free copy of his book called The 10X Rule. I thought, free, I've got to have it. So I clicked on the link and put in my information on the computer and got the free book. All I had to do was pay for the shipping, which is like $8.95. As soon as I got the book in the mail, I read it in 3 days. And shortly after that, I invested in Cardone University for $99 per month. I trusted that I would be able to easily make the money back with the knowledge that I gained from Cardone University, and I did. But the point of this story is to point out how Grant Cardone's live show he was producing built my trust up with him, unlike any other piece of content he was producing. Valuable content focused on a topic I was interested in, and then him promoting his book and courses. And still to this day, I have never met Grant Cardone in person. But yet, I have spent thousands of dollars on his materials. Wouldn't that be nice if you had people that you have never met before, never talked to on the phone, pay you money because they trust you? There are two standard practices to making money with your shows. The first way is through paid advertising, paid sponsorship. You can run commercials throughout your show. These are referred to as pre, mid, and post-roll sponsors. Or you can have banner ads, banner type sponsors on your show. This is where you have logos and other marketing material messaging located on the screen at all times or periodically throughout your show. The third type of advertising you can run is with native advertising. This is where you, as the show host, might take some time on your show to mention your sponsors. For example, it might look something like this. This show is brought to you by the Television Public Broadcast Network. Do you have creative ideas for your show with an audience you'd like to serve but lack the technical skills to make it happen on a budget? Contact the Television Public Broadcast Network producers today. You could have a full show ready to go with you on it next week. Just visit TVpbn.com today. The second way to make money with your show is using it as evergreen content and lead generation. Similar to Grant Cardone, you can be sharing valuable information with your audience and simultaneously generating leads for your business. Your show can act as a helpful resource for your audience. Have you ever heard from people around you, be careful what you post on the internet. Once it's up, it will always be there. Yes, me too. I've heard the same exact thing. For a business, this is so valuable. Don't be scared. Imagine having a complete archive of information about you and your expertise and your business sitting on the internet that at any time of day or night, anyone searching for a question could find you answering their question through video form on the internet. and then boom, they see your video and you've instantly started a brand new relationship with someone who could become a potential customer. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world now. Your show not only will build credibility short-term with quick answers and quick viewers, but also long-term dividends because of the interest-based search. Having your own show is an absolute necessity to making money on the internet. Why? Because building relationships is an absolute necessity to making money. And having your own show will unlock the doors to countless relationships where they will also experience the same phenomenon as me. I feel like I know you even though I have never met you syndrome. Make it a priority today to run your ideas past our producers at the Television Public Broadcast Network. We can help you go from amateur to professional show host in less than a week. Are you up for it? Hit the link in the description to get started today. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.